Hey everybody, it is Robbie from Soapy Fluffs here. Oh my goodness, hold on one sec. I'm good. Hey everybody, it's Robbie from Soapy Fluffs here. I just woke up. It's really late, but today's a special day because it's Saturday. It's package day. Usually, sometimes I get them early, but I just got a package from Nature's Garden. I love it. I love their new stickers. Fresh from the garden. It's great. So I've ordered a few fragrances. And I'm a strict, I think other than one fragrance I've ever used, Nature's Garden is my supplier. I love tape, love opening packages. So, anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. I want to show you. And they really do pack them good. Look at this. Great packaging. Right? I'm going to put that over there. And all this that gets packed up, this is what I was telling you guys, I actually have shredder upstairs, and this is stuffing that I use for all your guys' packages when you guys order. Don't waste anything because it's precious paper. Alright, and then we have these are sample sizes so we can test stuff, and these are some of the new ones. Alright, and then more paper. I'm going to put this in here so I'll shred it later. Alright. I have 2 big ounces, or 2 big 8-ounce bottles. They're huge. Even 8 ounces is a lot. If you guys don't know, I vet most of my fragrances. They are all California Proposition safe, so there's nothing in it that's going to be harmful for you. That is not. If there's on that list, they mark them. That's why I love Nature's Garden. We know that they're really good fragrances. So the first one I got is our amazing orange pop. This goes in all of our orange soda, and it smells amazing. I'm not going to open it because I've smelled this a million times, and you guys love it. Next is our oat milk and honey, and this is going to be on a new soap. Let's see here. Oh, that has a really good, really smooth oatmeal smell. Really a little bit of honey, but mostly oatmeal, real powdery smell. It's really, really nice. This is going to go in our milk and honey soap. I'm going to be using coconut milk in it, along with colloidal oats. So it is definitely a milk and honey. Again, a vegan soap. Alright, if you guys hear weird noises, it's because my Goldens are behind me. So cute. Alright, we have one of their favorites is Vintage Christmas. Oh, that's like a balsam smell mixed with like apple. It definitely smells like a 60s Christmas. It's not in your face holiday smell. Very vintage. So I think it lives up to its name. It's really good. I can't wait to be sharing this. This is definitely going to be in our line for Christmas. Alright, and then I have a mulled cider. This is on a request from YouTube that I got. Someone wanted a cider smell. Oh. This actually smells like it does. It has like clove and apple, but some really good citrus blends in it. Oh, that smells really amazing. I tell you guys, Nature's Garden never really lets me down. They're really good. I think I've gotten like maybe 1 or 2 scents that I didn't like from them, but other than that, they're all really good. And then this one I got was a Berry Merry Christmas. It's supposed to be more of a new Christmas smell. Yeah, that smells like a artificial Christmas tree that's scented in balsam and covered in like pine. It's really a good scent. Alright, and I have 2 more. We have, this one is the one I really wanted, was a full balsam. It is a pine needle scent, or fir needle applewood. This is really close to the berry one, except it's got more berry and less, it's definitely apple, but no as much fir needle. I really do like this one. I think this one might be better than their berry. Definitely what we do is vet these. We definitely send testers out to a lot of our friends and family, and then they try the little baby soaps that we make first and see what they feel like in the shower, in the hot water. And then when we do scents and lotions, we make sure they all smell good before it comes to your guys' table. When I say table, it doesn't mean you guys eat soap, but to my table of offerings. And then our very last one was submitted by a great close partner, and it is Snickerdoodle. This is in-house. Someone wanted Snickerdoodle, so let's see. When I say in-house, people live in our studios here. Oh, that's really good. It smells really close to the coffee scent, though. But there's no coffee in it, but it's very close. It does smell really good, though. I wish there had a little bit more cinnamon in it, just to... I'm going to smell it again. Yeah, I wish it had more, a little like a hint of cinnamon to break away from that kind of Java coffee smell. But it is really good scent. So this is our Nature's Garden unboxing. I love fragrances. I love Nature's Garden. Maybe one day they'll sponsor me. But if you guys are new, if you're soaping, you guys got to try them out. The prices are really, really good. There are other ones like Fizzberry, Brambleberry, you name it, there's tons of them. But I love Nature's Garden, and they've been really good to me and my company, and they're really great customer support whenever I've had a problem. So I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are enjoying everything. Do go out there and do something great for your community. Get off that couch and just have some fun. And even if you are watching a movie, and just make sure you're doing something for your community always. Have a great one. Peace out. And love you guys always. Have a great one.